The Department of Social Welfare and Development assured relief to flood victims. And for its part, the DPWH says its teams are working non-stop to clear clogged waterways and ease the flooding in Metro Manila. Noel Perfecto filed this report.
119 evacuation centers all over the metropolis were immediately tapped by DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman for providing shelter to 540 families affected by the strong rains and flood waters brought about by Typhoon Maring, which resulted to the floodings of several low-lying cities and caused traffic jams in Mandaluyong, Quezon City, Makati, Marikina, Manila, and San Juan. Secretary Dinky Soliman was the main guest of the regular Capienza Manila Hotel. Here, she announced the government's support for all those affected by the recent typhoon in some cities of Bulacan, San Fernando, Cavite, and Laguna.
Nagsusuporta kami at nagdadagdag tulong sa mga evacuation centers dito sa Kalakhang, Maynila. As of 6 o'clock, 18 ang reported sa 7 mga syudad. At nag-organize din ho kami ng dagdag tulong sa Cavite, Laguna. Alam namin may mga evacuation center and rescue operations ginagawa ang NDRRMC. At meron din po tayong patuloy na tulong sa mga apektado ng labuyo.
Meantime, DPWH Undersecretary Romeo Momo says that all roads and bridges have been rehabilitated and motorists now have all the access they need. He added that flood control personnel are likely the removal of all forms of obstructions along the open canals and waterways to allow flood waters to recede fast.
Tumulong na rin yung provincial government equipment. So, lahat-lahat, tulungan natin at nadaling nabuksan. Nag-overtap lang naman, nag-overflow lang yung sa ating daan, national highways. Medyo na-overtap lang national highways at malalim ang mga daanan. There are portions where light vehicles cannot pass. Yung malalaking truck lang ang pwedeng makadaan.
Secretary Soliman added that financial support as well as relief goods were provided to all those affected by Typhoon Maring's wrath, and even promised that government will continue to provide assistance to all sectors that are in need of its support.
Monitor po namin ang sa Bulacan, yung pong mga naapektuhan ng labuyo sa Zambales, Bataan at Aurora, yung mga evacuation centers pa rin yung nakatayo. I think 21 yung huli kong nakita ngayong umaga, sapagkat yung mga totally damaged houses ay hindi pa po sila nakakabalik. Yung labuyo po, ang aming naibigay na out of the 160 million ay nasa level na po ng 20 or 21 million po. At yan po ay goods at saka cash para po sa mga lokal na pamahalaan na magsisimula ng cash forward.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.